So I have a friend, Emiliano, who has a vineyard in Lazio, outside of Rome in Italy. I actually, believe it or not, have two friends named Emiliano with vineyards in Lazio, but that's a story for another time. But so Emiliano, like winemakers all over the world, is struggling to combat climate change in his vineyard, which is vineyards are truly hotspots. He's harvesting his grapes almost a full 2 months earlier than his grandfather did, and warmer springs are leading to early bud break, which makes the vine susceptible to spring frost. They're losing entire crops sometimes that way. But Emiliano is not your typical winemaker. He and his partners, Arcangelo and Martina, created and founded their winery as a biodynamic winery. It's called Progetto Sette, and they had two goals in mind. One, regenerate the land. Two, uplift their community. And of course, three, make excellent wine. And so, as biodynamic winemakers in the face of climate change, Progetto Sette employs countless nature-based solutions. I'll tell you about my favorite one by telling you about my favorite wine. So, my new title of my talk is called Two Words, because that's the name of the wine in Italian. Due parole, two words. And it's beautiful. It's a white wine, macerated on the skins. It's usually bottle aged before release. It tastes like love, flowers, mineral, spice. It is amazing. Why is it called Due Parole? Because after Emiliano took the vineyard over from his family, his uncle Mario called him every day and said, Emiliano, I have due parole for you. Taglia l'erba, which means cut the grass, cut the weeds. Why did he say this? Because it looked like a mess. But Emiliano does not cut the weeds in the grass. He leaves them in place. Why? They retain water. They provide plant biodiversity. They provide habitat for all sorts of creatures. And they make the vineyard healthy. They make the wine really excellent. So please think about this in your own homes, maybe around Penn too. Let's not taglia l'erba. Let's leave some of it, right, to provide some of those services. And I have due parole for Emiliano, which is thank you for making such good wine and not taglia l'erba. Grazie.